Claude Fable 5 has been making waves as a storytelling AI model, but does it live up to the hype? Today we're diving into what makes this tool tick, and whether it's really a game changer for writers and creatives alike. Claude Fable 5 is designed to generate narratives that feel engaging and human-like, tapping into a rich understanding of storytelling techniques. It's aimed at writers, marketers, and anyone who needs compelling content quickly. What stands out immediately is its ability to create contextually relevant stories, adapting to different genres and tones with ease. The interface is user-friendly, which is great for beginners, but I notice some advanced users might find it lacking in customization options. While it can generate full stories, it often feels like it needs a human touch to refine its output. The AI model excels in crafting plots and character arcs, but sometimes struggles with nuanced dialogue. One area that feels a bit unclear is how it handles complex narrative structures or specific user prompts. If you're looking for something that can handle intricate storytelling, you might need to test its limits. Starting with the pros, Claude Fable 5 does a fantastic job at creating engaging content quickly, which is a real time saver. Its adaptability across different genres is impressive, making it versatile for various projects. However, there are some downsides. Advanced users might find it frustrating that the model lacks depth and customization. Plus, while the storytelling is generally strong, the dialogue can sometimes feel a bit stilted or unnatural. There's also the concern of trust. As with many AI tools, the output can vary in quality, and it's crucial to have a human review before finalizing anything. Pricing is another consideration. Depending on your needs, it might feel a bit steep for casual users, but potentially worth it for professionals. In summary, Claude Fable 5 is a solid choice for those seeking a quick and effective storytelling tool, especially for content creators and marketers. However, if you're an experienced writer looking for deep customization and nuance, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying, but manage your expectations.